Shows how the slam latch on the left door doesn't work, but it works on the right door. So I'll show you the right door first. Pull the lever, open the door, slam it back, and it works perfect. Go over here to the other side. Pull the lever, slam it, slam it, slam it, and it doesn't work that often. What I gotta do every time I pull this lever, I gotta push it back forward and get it to latch. That's the only way. Push it back forward. So I don't know what's wrong with this mechanism, but my wife forgets, or I forget to push this forward, and you get going on the interstate and the door flies open.